Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda CR-V Touring and all-wheel drive. You will notice that this vehicle comes equipped with full LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights. The vehicle will also feature a keyless entry. On the door here, you'll see that you have buttons for the memory settings on the power seats, which are 12-way with lumbar support. On your steering wheel, you will have controls to be able to answer your phone calls and use voice commands. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which is using the adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, as well as other road departure mitigation system, a forward collision braking system. You'll have a nice display with navigation, Bluetooth audio, as well as smartphone connection to be able to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You'll have dual climate control and heated seats, an econ mode, electronic parking brake, and a brake hold feature. You'll have a power port. The key fob features a remote start, as well as a power tailgate in the center console. You'll have an additional power port and 2 USB ports. Place to store your sunglasses, as well as a built-in mirror to watch the back seat. Sunroof. In the back seat, you'll notice that there is the all-weather floor mat. You'll also have additional power ports for USB devices. Vehicle features a capless fuel filler. It will have the power tailgate with the backup camera, all-weather floor mat, spare tire and tool set, and you'll have the levers which you can pull to fold down the seats. This is the 2019 Honda CR-V Touring and all-wheel drive. My name is Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.